Hey art friends, today we're going to draw Fuzzby. He's our cute little fuzzy monster. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. For this lesson I'm using markers and it's a little different than usual. We're going to use our colors first before our black marker. But also remember, you can use whatever you have. This works great with colored pencils or even crayons. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices: iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start with our yellow marker, and we're going to draw the belly for our fuzzy little monster, Fuzzby. We're going to draw an oval or a circle shape in the middle of our paper, and then let's color that in. This part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video if you ever need more time, or if you really want to take extra time to add different things to your drawing. Next, we're going to switch to our blue color. And remember, you could change these colors. You could draw a pink monster if you want, or a purple. We're going to draw the top of our fuzzy little monster first. We're going to start up here right above our belly, and we're going to draw fuzzy little lines. So I'm going to draw a zigzag line for the top of his head, or her head. We're going to draw zigzags coming down and curving into the belly. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side to match. Okay, next let's draw his belly and body. We're going to draw zigzag line coming down. And I'm going to stop there, and we're going to draw a zigzag line curving the other way on the other side. Okay, now underneath his little belly, we're going to draw zigzag lines going across, and then we can finish his inside of his legs. Let's just draw, we can draw little zigzags if you want, or just keep it simple and draw a short line. Okay, now for his feet, let's draw them curving around and connecting to the inside. Next, let's draw his fuzzy little arms. We're going to draw zigzags curving down and then into his body. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side to match. And then let's also give him ears. I'm going to draw two sideways letter U's on each side. Before we color this in, let's switch back to our yellow. Let's give him yellow toenails. I'm going to draw 3 little circles for his toes on each foot. And we could use this to draw horns too. I'm going to draw an upside down letter V that's also curved. And let's color those in. Okay, now let's switch back to our blue. This part will fast forward again. I'm going to color in the whole monster except for the yellow parts. We have him all colored in. Let's switch to our black marker and we can add all the details, all the extra things. We can give him a funny face. I'm going to draw a really just simple, cute, happy face since he's our happy fuzzy monster. I'm going to draw a smile, and then I'm going to draw a circle on the left and also on the right to match. And let's draw smaller circles inside, or you could just color the whole thing in solid if you want. You could do that too. Usually we leave these little circles white, but because we're drawing it on top of the color, we could use a paint marker if you have one. It's okay if you don't, but I have a white paint marker and we can add those highlights in on top, which is really nice. Oh, and we could also use the white paint marker for sharp teeth. He's cute, but also maybe a little scary. And if you have other paint markers, you could use pink to add the inside of the ears. Or you could just add these with crayons or colored pencils on top of the markers too. Then we give him pink cheeks. Next, I'm going to switch back to my black marker, or you could use a black pencil or a crayon, and I'm going to trace around the outside of my little monster. This part will fast forward because we're just repeating all of the same steps we've already done. I also used darker colors to add texture to the fur to make him even fuzzier. But you could add an entire background and also add more monsters. You can really use your imagination to change your drawing any way you want. And I hope you had a lot of fun drawing Fuzzby with us, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.